Cloud storage is expensive and most cloud storage providers only provide a limited amount of free storage. So what do most of us do? We make free tier accounts across numerous cloud storage providers and manage it manually. Eventually, we lose interest and our backup strategy goes for a toss. Let us say you are not an El Cheapo like most of us and you are a paid tier user with large amounts of data on a single cloud storage service provider and want to jump ships because you found a cheaper plan somewhere else, or simply if the cloud service storage provider is going under. You will be forced to download all your data manually and re-upload it to the new cloud storage provider. Then there is the problem of having to find files across multiple cloud storage providers. Did I park my Goa trip photos in Google Drive or Dropbox? Is my wedding video in Megadrive or OneDrive? You will be jumping across tab to find your files. So when MultCloud reached out to me with a solution to manage all cloud storage providers from one browser tab, I couldn't say no. Also, 3 of you can win their 1200 GB per year account worth $60, so stick around till the end of the video to know how. Let's begin. Signing up with MultCloud is very easy. Just enter your email and a strong password, or just use your existing Google, Facebook or Apple account to create your account. Once logged in, the first step is to add your cloud drives to MultCloud. You can add cloud drives from any of the 32 personal cloud storage providers or any of the 4 business cloud providers. You will need to have at least 2 cloud accounts to use MultCloud. Once you have added the cloud accounts, you can do a cloud-to-cloud transfer where you select one cloud storage provider and the folder as the source and the other cloud storage provider as the destination. Once done, click on Transfer Now and MultCloud will create a secure connection between the 2 cloud storage providers and the transfer will begin. One neat feature is that you can close your browser as soon as the transfer begins. You do not need to have your computer on in order for the transfer to take place. If it is a task you are going to carry out repeatedly, you can also schedule this task. You can also configure the behavior of the transfer, like what it should do if it encounters a duplicate file, or delete the source file once the transfer is complete. There is also a filter option which lets you either include or exclude certain file extensions only. With the Cloud Sync option, you can either do a one-way sync or a two-way sync. In one-way sync, folders and files of the source cloud drive will be replicated to the destination drive. So, if you delete or add a file in the source cloud drive, the changes will get reflected to the destination drive. With two-way sync, both the drives will mirror each other no matter on which drive you are adding or deleting the files. The remote upload option lets you add files directly to your cloud using magnet links. So suppose I want to add Ubuntu to my Google Drive, I will just copy the magnet link from Ubuntu website, paste it on MultCloud, select the cloud service provider and click on Save to Cloud and the transfer will begin. The cloud backup option is similar to cloud transfer option and the team transfer is geared towards business clouds, so in the interest of time we will not discuss them. Moving on to the next important feature, the universal search. You can click on any previously added cloud storage provider and on the top right corner you can search for any file and select all the providers you want the search to run on. You will be able to easily find files across multiple storage providers. This can be such a time saver if you don't know on which cloud that particular file or folder is on. Now you may have some questions regarding your privacy, how MultCloud processes your data, and if your data is secure when it is being transferred from cloud to cloud. Let me try and answer them one by one. MultCloud claims to be GDPR or the European Nations General Data Protection Regulation compliant. GDPR is considered to be the gold standard when it comes to online privacy. So you can rest assured that MultCloud is only collecting that data which it really needs to. Also, if in the future you decide to delete your MultCloud account, you can write to them and they are bound by GDPR to delete all traces of you from their servers. One asterisk on being GDPR compliant is that they are yet to be certified by a third-party organization. MultCloud relies on OAuth or Open Authorization, which is an open protocol to allow secure authorization on the web. So when you sign up with Google, Facebook or Apple, or when you add a cloud storage provider, you are never giving your username and password to MultCloud. Instead, you are telling the cloud storage provider that MultCloud is allowed to edit data on your behalf. This access can be revoked at any time if you wish to. When data is being transferred from cloud to cloud, MultCloud creates a secure 256-bit AES encryption tunnel between the clouds so that your data is secure from anyone trying to steal your data. Also, the data never crosses MultCloud servers, so you can be sure that your data is not mined by MultCloud. MultCloud has generously asked me to select any 3 of you guys to upgrade your accounts from the free tier to 1200 GB per year accounts. In order to win, all you have to do is sign up with MultCloud and leave a comment down below on how you will use MultCloud and either your email, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or just about anything so that I can contact you and forward your account details to the MultCloud team. So that is it for this video. I hope you found this video useful. Please like this video and also be sure to check out my video about the 3-2-1-0 rule to ensure that you do not suffer from data loss ever. Thanks.